Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So in this video today, I'm going to be cleaning my kitchen cabinets. So come on with me, guys. Now I purchased this cleaner called Awesome, Totally Awesome Cleaner from the Dollar Tree, and it is the wood cleaner. So we're gonna go ahead and try this out on all my cabinets. There is a light shine on my cabinets, but not too much of it. So let's see how this cleaner works. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channel. Quite a bit of cabinets, and the only thing I'm doing is spraying the product on and then wiping everything off. What I do like about it is that it doesn't leave a film, and no, this is not sponsored. But if Dollar Tree did want me to sponsor their product, I'll be more than happy to. So I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music because we have quite a bit of cabinets to wipe down and I'll see you at the end. Always remember to head on over to the community tab, where there I have the calendar of collaborations for the month. I'm not sure if you can tell, but I do have my kitchen light on. It is so dim and about to rain where I am that it literally looks like the lights are off, but they're not. Now I've gotten to the end of the top part of the cabinets. I'm going to do the bottom, but I can say it is leaving a light shine, okay, and it is cleaning off whatever was on there from the cooking. So far I'm liking this. right, so I finally got to the end over here of the bottom cabinets. We're going to be heading on over to the reveal. Now what I am noticing is that after a few minutes of the solution settling into the wood, then you can see like a light shine, but it's not anything like high shine, but it's fine with me because I don't like anything that leaves a film. I think it looks beautiful, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.